Hello, I'm in a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and today I'm going to show you to turn on your brights. So first you want to, everything's with this stick here, but you can see these here. Auto is helpful, but right now it's in the off. So you'll turn this all the way on for your regular lights to be on, which you can see they're on here. And then to turn on your brights, you'll just push the whole stick forward and then push it back if you want to turn them off. So again, now the brights are on, and then pulling the stick back to turn it off. So on, off. And then to turn the regular lights off and on, you just twist. But that's it. And then you could just turn, if you turn it all off with this twist too, that also works. But otherwise, I hope this tutorial was helpful. And often, you know, if everything's proper with your sensors, I recommend just leaving it in auto so you don't forget to turn them off when it gets to be dusk. And I just getting pulled over for a ticket for something silly like that. But otherwise, hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.